Hey, it's Clay at ClayTrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in about 5 minutes, so I will pause your screen recording software for now, and I'll be back as soon as I find a potential opportunity. All right, looking to buy at 145. So buy 145. I'm watching that number over there, and I want to see that drop down to 145, and then for this white line over here to change green. So white means I'm trying to buy. Green means I have been able to buy. I am trading options. If you're not sure what options are, just comment below option guide. And I will link you to a free class I put together called The Big Basics of Options. It'll walk you through terminologies, how they work. I know sometimes options have the reputation of being very complicated, and they can be made that way, but they don't have to be made that way. And I approach them in more of a straightforward way. So if that's how you like to approach things in straightforward ways, again, just comment below option guide, and I will link that to you. All right, I will pause, and I'll keep a close eye on it. Have an order at 165, and I'm in there at 165 and out for $350. That all happened very quickly. 4-second trade. So if you missed it, you're not, that's okay. It happened quick. Again, that was white for a second, it changed green, and then that was white for a second, it changed green. When that second line changed from white to green, that means I was able to sell. And that's also when you would have seen the $350 show up there. And then if you're curious, the executed time column right there shows when I was bought and sold, excuse me. And you can see right there for a total of 4 seconds. All right, let's see if I can get another trade here. Let's see if it wants to come up a bit more. I'm thinking of changing the strike price. Changing what? Again, that's one of the terms that I'll be explaining in that guide as it comes down now. Maybe I look for a call option. All right, I will pause, but not too bad. Not even 5 minutes in the day, already up $350. So very pleased with that start. Let's see if I can get another trade. Have an order at 180 here. In at 180 for a put and out for 350 on that one, which puts me at $700 on the day, and it is 9:40:39. So about 11 minutes in, up $700. I'm going to go ahead and call that good. I don't know if you can tell from my voice, but well, if you've never watched any of my other videos, then you can't tell, but this is not how I normally sound. I do have a cold. I sort of just, it comes with the territory of having 6 kids. There's always some sort of new strand of virus going through. Not that I feel terrible, but if I can put $700 in my pocket in 11 minutes, that is fine by me, especially within the overall context of having multiple streams of income, which I encourage you to do. Every wealthy person I've ever studied has multiple streams of income. And that is, that's why I call trading a side hustle for myself, because it's not my only way to make money. So I encourage you to go out there and do the same. And why I also argue trading, such a good thing to learn, good skill, because it's just a way to create some money. And like I said, this money, as you saw, was created in 11 minutes. And that trade lasted all of 2 seconds. So that was a 2-second trade right there. Another 2-second trade for $350, putting me up $700. So I'm going to go ahead and call it good. And like I said, depending on where you're at in life, you're going to have different definitions of wealth. For me, wealth is just the freedom of the calendar. If I can look at my schedule and pick and choose what I want to do, then to me, that's a great piece of wealth, especially, like I said, when I'm a father of 6 young kids. But so voices hold it up there, good enough for the video. So I'm going to take my $700 and be grateful for it. So thank you for listening and watching. And again, if you want to learn more about options, just comment below option guide, and I will link you to that free class. So take care, hit that subscribe button. Have a good one.
First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.